How can I watch movies on Xbox One without an internet connection?
Hey there, Xbox One users. Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing how you can watch movies on your Xbox One without an internet connection. Whether you're traveling or simply experiencing connectivity issues, we've got you covered. So let's dive right in.
Using Offline Media Playback.
If you want to watch movies on your Xbox One without an internet connection, the Offline Media Playback feature is your go-to solution. This feature allows you to play movies and videos that are stored locally on your Xbox One's hard drive or an external storage device. Here's how you can use it. 1. Prepare your movies. First, make sure you have the movies or videos you want to watch saved on your Xbox One or an external storage device. You can transfer them from your computer, USB drive, or other compatible devices. 2. Connect your storage device. If your movies are stored on an external storage device, such as a USB drive or an external hard drive, connect it to your Xbox One's USB port. 3. Navigate to the media player. On your Xbox One, go to the home screen, and then scroll right to the Store tab. From there, select the Media Player app. 4. Locate your movies. Once you're in the Media Player app, choose the source where your movies are stored. If they're on your Xbox One's hard drive, select the appropriate option. If they're on an external storage device, select that device. 5. Select and play. Browse through the folders and files to locate the movie you want to watch. Highlight the movie, press the A button on your controller, and sit back as your movie begins playing.
Using Blu-ray or DVD discs.
Another way to enjoy movies on your Xbox One without an internet connection is by using Blu-ray or DVD discs. Xbox One consoles come equipped with a built-in Blu-ray DVD drive, allowing you to play your favorite movies directly from physical media. Here's how you can do it. 1. Insert the disc. Take your desired Blu-ray or DVD disc and insert it into the Blu-ray DVD drive of your Xbox One console. The drive is usually located on the front panel. 2. Launch the Blu-ray DVD app. Once the disc is inserted, your Xbox One will automatically detect it and launch the Blu-ray or DVD app. If it doesn't launch automatically, you can navigate to the home screen, scroll right to the Store tab, and select the app from there. 3. Follow the on-screen prompts. The Blu-ray or DVD app will guide you through the necessary steps to start playing the movie. Simply follow the on-screen prompts, which usually involve selecting the play option or confirming any age restrictions. 4. Enjoy your movie. Once you've completed the necessary steps, your movie will begin playing, and you can now sit back, relax, and enjoy your cinematic experience. That wraps up our guide on how to watch movies on Xbox One without an internet connection. Whether you're using the Offline Media Playback feature or playing Blu-ray, DVD discs, you now have multiple options to enjoy your favorite movies offline. So next time you find yourself without an internet connection, don't worry, your Xbox One has your entertainment covered. Thanks for watching, and happy movie watching on your Xbox One.